and welcome back to this month's PB product review. We are here in the middle of summer holiday seasons and I hope you are all busy capturing those beautiful summer memories because it's not long now. This month will be over as fast as it came. But whilst it's still August, let's enjoy those summer moments a little while longer and find ways to remember the fun times being had. I love to capture fun times on camera in pictures. When I was younger and before smartphones existed, I collected mementos on family holidays. Whilst I don't have many of those with me today, what I have with me are forever memories and aromas that remind me of happy places and times. The scents around the family holiday homes, the smell of the fresh sea air, the summer sunscreen that was used, my mother's perfume. All these different aromas remind me of those really special moments that we had. So for this month's PB promotions, we have prepared some products to help you create long-lasting memories of your favorite summer moments and aromas. At 120 PB, we have the fresh and uplifting aroma of spearmint essential oil. A few drops of this essential oil can be added to your shampoo or body lotion to add a burst of sweet, minty scent to your summer self-care routine. You can also enjoy spearmint's comforting aroma by inhaling it directly from the bottle or using it diluted for an abdomen massage following hearty meals. You can even use it whilst traveling, and it's got a really cool, sweet aroma that will help promote this feeling of safe boundaries and feeling protected as well. I love all citrus and fresh smells, so I am so pleased to have lemon myrtle essential oil with its bright lemony aroma at 190 PB this month. Lemon myrtle is known as the queen of lemon herbs as its powerful lemon scent is even stronger than lemon essential oil itself. It is very high in its key constituent citral and is perfect for supporting a clean, refreshing atmosphere around us. It can be applied topically to soothe the skin and reduce the appearance of blemishes. The aroma of this oil can also support the feeling of a clear mind and encourage a bright outlook on life. This is a must-have for the rest of the summer days. At 250 PV, we have lavender hand and body lotion that's wonderful to use on dry skin and supports a long-lasting feeling of hydration. With all that time in the sun, our skin can always benefit from an extra dose of hydration to help it stay soft and silky smooth. This calming lotion is made from naturally derived oils and butters that contain vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants, all providing nourishing moisture to the skin. This is infused with a blend of lavender, lemon, davana, and myrrh premium essential oils, which all combined provide a calming, peaceful aroma, so it's just perfect to help bring on some evening relaxation. At 350 PV, we have Roman chamomile essential oil this month. Now, this oil comes from a plant which has been used by mothers for centuries to soothe children in childcare. The oil's warmth and gentleness can help create a relaxing and calming atmosphere, making it a great aroma to help you and your whole family unwind during the evenings all year round. It is also soothing to the skin, all skin types, and can nourish and moisture the skin also, making it a great addition to your favorite lotion or facial moisturizer. It's often used in bath and body care products for children and babies. You can see why, since its aroma is so warm and comforting for both the mind and body. It has a sweet, delicate herbal aroma with notes of bright apple, which promotes this feeling of inner peace. And of course, please do not forget we have free shipping at 400 PV too. Last, for this gorgeous summer month of August, at 450 PV, we have Clarity Essential Oil Blend. Now, this is an oil that combines really wonderful, stunning essential oils that are just listed here below. And this is an aroma that provides and promotes a feeling of stability, focus, and a sense of productivity. It's got a real herbaceous, soothing aroma that also promotes feelings of emotional balance, as it can help create a focused environment for the mind. So if you are spending August working or studying, try and dilute Clarity with Young Living's V6 Enhanced Vegetable Oil Complex and apply it to the back of your neck, your temples, and try and see if it helps you support an atmosphere conducive to work and learning new things. And that's it. That is August all wrapped up. Thank you so much for watching. I love to see and hear your own product stories and experiences using our wonderful PB products. So don't forget to tag us on your socials this summer and enjoy creating some new aroma-infused memories this month.